Now today we'll start exercise 4B from R.S.Agarwal chapter 4 integers, and today again I have come up with four specific sums. So we'll start with question number 5, sum number 8. Now what exactly we have to do in question number 5 is find the sum. Okay, we have three numbers given: minus 18, 25 and minus 37. So what is the first thing we have to do? You have to put plus sign in place of comma and. Okay, so minus 18 in place of comma we'll put plus sign because we have to add, we have to find the sum. To get the sum we have to add. So 25 in place of and we'll put plus sign, and since this number is already getting one sign, so we will put it inside the bracket. Fine. Now in the next step we will open this bracket. Minus 18 plus 25 plus minus is minus 37. Now you will bring all the numbers which are carrying minus sign. That means you have to group it now. That's digits which are carrying minus sign in one place, and the digits which are carrying plus sign another place. Okay, so it will look like this. So minus 18 minus 37, all the minus numbers are together, and then we'll write the positive numbers. Now what is minus minus? Minus minus is plus, so we have to add 37 plus 18 is what? 55. 55, which number is greater? 37, and it is carrying which sign? Minus, so we have to put minus sign. Plus 25. Now minus plus minus 55 minus 25 is 30. Which number is greater? 55. It is having what sign? Minus, so we'll give minus sign. Okay, so this is a solution of question number 5, sum number 8. Now let's move on to the next sum, that is 6, question number 6. So we have to write the additive inverse in question number 6. So what is the additive inverse of 183? So you just have to change the sign. So in this case 183 is having plus sign. So what is the additive inverse of 183? It would be minus 183. Okay. Now what is additive inverse? You have to understand. Suppose if I ask you what is the additive inverse of 2, that means I am asking what is the number that you have to add with 2 to get 0. Okay. So that would be what? Minus 2. Isn't it? So if you add minus 2 with 2, you will get 0. So additive inverse of 2 is what? Minus 2. Understood? This is what exactly we are trying to do. So what is additive inverse of 183? So you will write additive inverse of 183 is, you will write minus 183. Understood? And if in case the number is in the minus form, suppose question number 4, minus 1001. So what will the additive inverse of this? So you will write additive inverse of minus 1001 would be equals to what? The positive form of the number. Okay, very easy. You see, when the number is in the plus form, you write it in the negative form, and when the number is initially in the negative form, the additive inverse of those number would be you have to write it in the positive form. Okay, so that's it. This is question number 6. Now let's move on to question number 7. Now in question number 7 you have to find the successor. Successor means, always remember students, successor means you have to add 1. Okay, so if I ask you what is the successor of 70, so what is the successor of 70? What you will write? Successor of 70. That would be equals to what? You have to add 1 to this number. Okay, that is 70 plus 1. So your required answer is 71. Okay, now suppose if it is given minus 5. Now what is the successor of this minus 5? So what do you have to write? Successor of minus 5. Successor of minus 5 is what? What is the meaning of successor? You have to add 1 to it. So plus minus 5 plus 1. So minus plus minus, you have to do minus. 5 minus 1 is 4. Now which number is greater? 5. Which sign? Minus. So you put minus sign. Understood? Very easy. Just you have to be little careful with minus 1. Okay. Now let's move on to sum number 8. In question number 8, you have to write the predecessor. Now, what is predecessor? Predecessor means minus 1. That means you have to subtract 1 from the required number. So, what is the predecessor of 79? So, we write predecessor of 79 would be 79 minus 1, 78. And predecessor of this one? Predecessor of minus 8 would be what? Minus 8, again minus 1. So minus minus plus 8 plus 1 is 9. Which number is greater? 8. It is having minus sign, so we have to put minus 8. Okay. So that's it for today's session, boys. Thank you so much. God bless you and stay blessed.